Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Zyon colorway. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Adidas Originals and Kanye West will be expanding their Yeezy Boost 350 V2 lineup into the summer season with an all-new Zyon colorway. This Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 features a blend of gray and earthy tones throughout its prime knit build with muddy brown intertwined above the midsole. Its lateral stripe is painted in a black hue, completed with its signature Boost sole. Look for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zyon to release July 18th in full family sizes at select retailers and StockX. The retail price tag is set at $220. Now, I will go over places to cop this shoe. I will leave a full store list in the description below. I will also go over resell, but before we do that, let's just look over this shoe. I really like this colorway because I feel it is just a darker version of the 350 V2 Statics that dropped a year ago. It does seem to have a bit of a brown tint to it, so more of a earthy feel to that like static colorway. Now, I've said it before and I'll say it again, I do not like the laces on these new Yeezys. If I get this shoe, I will definitely be swapping the laces out for those static reflective laces. I think that just looks mad fire. You have that mixed prime knit color up in the top. Like I said, seems to have that brown tint to it. It's not completely white and black. It's kind of dirty looking, which I actually really like. Crazy thing with this colorway is I've noticed not many people are as hyped up as I am about this colorway. I did have a poll on my Instagram asking who was interested in the shoe, what you guys thought of them, whether it was dope or not. And it was seriously like a 50-50, which was completely crazy to me. I thought it was gonna be more like 80-20. I thought a lot of people were gonna like the shoe, but it seems like a lot of people are passing on this colorway. So you got a gray lining and insole with the black Adidas Yeezy logo. You do have a white translucent midsole with a translucent gum bottom. Yeah, again, if you are interested in purchasing this shoe, check the full store list I have in the description. Now let's get into resale. Again, this shoe is retailing at $220. Currently on StockX, it's going for about $350 to $450. Now, I think that price is gonna drop, and honestly quite a bit. I see the shoe going for $250 to $325. I don't think it's gonna be crazy resell, but I do think there's gonna be a bit. Let me know what your guys' resale predictions are. Are you going for this shoe? Are you going for it personal? Are you gonna try and resell? Let me know all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That is my brand right here. I sell sneakers, streetwear, as well as merch, so definitely check it out. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Dumb nigga, I ain't never ran from none, nigga. I ain't about to choose a day to have a run with you. Tough on the phone in the comfort in your home. Let me see you face to face out in public like what's up.